Hi everybody, Crafting Journey here, that Journey Chick on Instagram. Hope you're following me on Instagram. I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. This came in a larger cardboard box that was branded. It said Diamond Art Club. Inside of that box was an opportunity to get 15% off your next purchase. It's on the shipping label. So don't forget to always fish this out of the box before you throw it in the recycling bin, because the other two opportunities for you to save money are only 10%. Right here on the side, there's a barcode. If you happen to lose the shipping label, this barcode, you just scan that, you can get 10% off your next purchase. Then there's another opportunity inside the box. So, yes, I did get another square painting. I have just been really all about the squares lately. I just love squares. When they're well done, I like squares. Yep, but I didn't buy this for squares. I bought this because of the artwork. Another piece of art from my favorite artist. Yep. Gary Patterson. I really like Gary Patterson. I started the Who's Your Doggy diamond painting at the last diamond painting retreat. And I have not been able to get that out again because I'm in the middle of Halloween. So I will be getting it out after Halloween and working on that some more. So we're going to take this opaque cover off. And we're going to open the box. Let me tell you, though, a little bit about the box. It has the 7 steps to diamond painting on it, as well as all of the contents of what are contained in the box. So you don't want to forget about that. Now let's open it, shall we? Anything left? Yes. Toolkit. Nope, that's everything. So I will say I don't think the toolkit has changed since the last time I unboxed the Diamond Art Club, but we'll go through it very quickly. All right, you get a pen with, if I can fish it out. I said very quickly, didn't I? Hold on. All right, it doesn't want to come out. All right, so first of all, you're getting all these baggies that for me will never see the light of day. They're kind of cheap and I don't use them. You can use them for kitting down when you're finished with your diamond painting. If you like to save your diamonds, here's a tray with a funnel. Very good if you're using multiple trays. If you have one of those fancy towers that has all the sections for all the trays, that's what these are for. Yep, a pair of tweezers. These are sharp tweezers, by the way. I don't know if you can see them from this distance, but trust me, very sharp. I'm not going to poke myself to prove it, but yeah, very sharp. And now we get the squishy. A pen with the squishy that you put on the pen to make it comfortable for you to diamond paint. And then you get 2 pieces of heart wax. So you can put that on your pen and diamond paint. Now, you also get, this is like my favorite part of the whole toolkit, a thin 4-placer. Yes, a thin 4-placer. This is the only part that I save. This and the wax. The rest, oh no, I guess I saved the tweezers too. And maybe the tray. Okay, so maybe I saved most of the toolkit, okay? Don't laugh at me. Some of it I'm not saving. Some of it I'm saving. Okay, so now we can get rid of the scissors. Get rid of the sharp objects, Rebecca. Okay, they also give us a sticker that we can put on top of the box if you store your paintings vertically, so that you can see what's on the painting without having to open it up and look inside, or look for this, which might be buried if you've got things stacked way up high like I do. My Diamond Art Clubs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 deep. Yeah. So this comes in handy. If you don't want to put it on the box, you could put it on a journal or a planner when you start your painting. Yeah, that comes in handy. But I'm not going to show it to you just yet. So we still have this branded opaque cover that says Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. I'm super excited for this canvas. Super excited for this canvas. It is a soft tourmaline patent pended canvas. It just feels so good to run your fingers over. The edges are serrated, serged together so that it doesn't fray. Let me show you. See, there, you see how they're serrated and then serged. This will prevent fraying on your canvas. Then we have, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to roll it the other way. First, let's get the drills out of the middle. These are all of the drills. Oh my word. Look at those pretty colors. Yep, I'm gonna show you those colors soon. You get a book from Diamond Art Club, a little blue booklet. In this booklet are step-by-step instructions on how to diamond paint. If this is your first time diamond painting, this is a wonderful painting to start with. Oh my word. So it has a thank you from the owner of Diamond Art Club, Angie. It has tips and tricks. It has the 9 steps to diamond painting. And there is your third opportunity for a 10% discount off a future purchase. So don't forget, 1, 2, and the barcode on the box. That's 3 opportunities. In case you lose these 2, you have the one on the box. So this is got our stickers on it. There are 35 colors, 4 ABs, which are Aurora Borealis drills. That's an acrylic diamond that has a iridescent coating on it to make it like super shimmery, shiny. And we all love that. It has a picture of the canvas start and end date sticker right there. Now you see what it is. It's Catnap by Gary Patterson. That's I put this label on top of my storage container so that I know, because I use multiple storage containers. So what I will do is I will actually put I'll cut it in half. I'll put the title on one container and the picture on the other container, so I know that both those containers go with those drills, or both those containers of drills go with this painting. And these stickers are super nice because they're already ready for you to just peel them off one at a time and stick onto your storage container. And then you get all of these extra ones in case you have extra drills, maybe extra sparkly drills that you're going to add somewhere else, and you want to write that down and put them in your storage container too. You've got all these extra labels. How cool is that? All right, I'm going to roll this backwards so we can see this painting in its entirety. And you don't really have to worry about a Diamond Art Club canvas being wrinkled or mangled, because once it lays out flat, it's going to lay perfectly flat. Those wrinkles that are in it are going to come out within a few minutes. The thing I love about Diamond Art Club canvases is they add that glitter to the canvas that just makes the whole thing so sparkly, and it just makes you want to diamond paint the night away, doesn't it? All right, here we have it, guys. And this is very similar to my Who's Your Doggy painting. Up at the top where it says Catnap, those words, cat and nap, are all Aurora Borealis drills. They're all a yellow Aurora Borealis surrounded by black outline. How cool is that? Okay, ready? Here we have it. It's beautiful. Look at that big old fat cat sitting there. I'm going to put this one next to Who's Your Doggy, the Catnap and the Who's Your Doggy. I just love those, both these paintings by Gary Patterson. Now, He's laying there on his pillow. You've got this gorgeous coverlet on the bed, this quilt that you can bling out if you want to bling it out. There's plenty of color opportunities here. But look at this fat cat. Oh my God, he's so funny. And there is a mouse here. There's a mouse. There's a bull here. How adorable. This is just the seam of the pillow that you're seeing here. Isn't that beautiful? I could not resist it. I really, really couldn't. So I'm going to take you down to the canvas. I'm going to show you the canvas up close so you can see how clear these symbols are. It is a very sticky canvas. And pretty much like the Who's Your Doggy canvas that I'm doing now, there's a lot of this background color, which is 7. That is 3770. But I like the way, you know, as opposed to Who's Your Doggy, where it just has the one background color, 14 bags of one background color. This background kind of fades into a few other colors. So you're getting 7 and it fades into some 2 or 3 other colors, and it kind of mixes and then it fades into a darker color. So I like the way that the blending on this is very, very well done. And you see he's dreaming of little catnips. You know, what is it they like? Yeah, catnip. That's what they like. I have kittens. They've just now started into the catnip. Oh boy, trouble ahead, right? But look, he's dreaming of fishes swimming around. Yep. While he takes his catnap. Let's look at the drills. They are provided to you in this bag. The bag is labeled with the name of the painting and the SKU number of the painting, in case you store your drills separately from the boxes. So what you've got going on here are a couple of bags of 939, which is a very dark color. This is your background color, 3770 that I talked about. Only 5 bags compared to the 14 I got with Who's Your Doggy. That's okay. I think at the retreat, I was telling people, please just work on the background for me. I managed to get, of the 14 bags of the background color, I managed to get 4 of them done at the retreat. So there's only 10 bags of background color left. But this is a real soft, almost like camel color, this 3770. I will show that to you up close. And then we have some other really pretty. Here's the AB. You get 2 bags of this 141. That is number 4, and that is going on the pillowcase. All of the pillowcase surrounding this kitty is going to be this beautiful AB. Now let me find the other ABs for you. Got some grays going on here, some soft yellows, some nice minty green. But let's find the other ABs. I found one of them. It is this blue, and you've got 2 bags of it. Oh my word. 101. This is number 1, and that is going into this blanket that's next to the kitty cat. So you've got this up here in the pillowcase, then in the blanket that's around the kitty cat, several of the blankets, you've got 2 bags of this blue. And I want to say it's all through the quilt. It is, guys, look, all through this quilt, you're getting smatterings of that AB drill. And all these drills just fell in my lap. Here is, it's actually an orange color that goes up here. I thought it was yellow, but it's more of an orange that's going into this catnip. lettering. So you have one bag of that Aurora Borealis. And then the other one is 136. It's a very dark blue. And that goes, let's find out where that goes. That is number 3. And I think we're going to find that. Where is number 3? In the little ball. It's at the bottom of the ball. See the ball that's on the quilt? The bottom of this ball has the dark blue ABs. There's so many opportunities for ABs here, guys. I am not kidding you. The pink florets here, the red decor on the ball, I probably would do some crystals right there. I may do the mouse. I'm not sure. I think I'm tempted to even just do the outline of the mouse in a black AB, which would be almost like, give it like a blue-green effect. I think that would be really, really pretty. I may avoid the cat, and just because there's so many beautiful rich colors already in this cat. The mixture of browns and grays is absolutely stunning. So lots and lots of opportunities to bling this painting out, because we're going to be blinging in the new year next year, right? I'm doing the year of landscapes, but I'm going to slip some of these Gary Pattersons into next year, because I am slowly finding that this is my favorite artist that Diamond Art Club has. Some of you love Randall Spangler, and God love you, but I love Gary Patterson. So I hope you have enjoyed me bringing you this painting. If I can find some more by Gary Patterson, I will bring them to you, because I might be getting them all. I just love Gary Patterson. So see you in the next video, everybody.